Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, let's find out how to clean out unwanted foreign material such as pins, coins and nails trapped below the pulsator of a Singer semi-automatic washing machine. First, disconnect the power to the washing machine. Now open the cover and use a small screwdriver to remove the cap on the tip of the pulsator. Then remove this screw, holding the pulsator in place. Remove the pulsator carefully, as you can see the foreign material trapped below it. Remove them. Now we can reattach the pulsator. Can you see these grooves on the inside of the nail socket? Now carefully put in the pulsator and twist and turn it until the grooves fall in place. Then push it in. Once it's in place, screw the nail tight. When you feel the nail tightening, use your other hand to turn the pulsator anti-clockwise, like this, to tighten it properly. Then cap the tip of the pulsator with the plastic cap, like so. Now you can give it power and check its functionality.